from here now. The aching is not.
Well, as you touch it, do you feel pain?
I feel, but the aching will just come.
Yeah, it comes and goes.
It will come
It's fine,
and
it's fine. No wahala. It's fine. It's fine. You can get up, please.
I can get up.
Yeah. I'm done. Come to that personal area. 10 months, they will be. At one hand, no hand over here. Okay, no reactor. I just define where they pay you. This way they pay you.
Right now.
No, just relieve you, relax. I know that you can. I just transfer. Because me not know it.
Toilet.
Yeah.
This is good. Seriously, they're here. They hit
When
me.
you go to toilet, so you see blood in your stool.
Yeah, because they hit me with a boot. Somewhere here.
Okay.
Then here particularly, they hit me several times, and I always, the place is always aching me, like I won't be able to control myself. Like it will just come like, I don't know, sharpen and draw my eye like this. Everything will just be aching me as if the head wants to break.
Okay. What else?
I feel weak every time. Every time.
Okay. What else?
Then my eyes. Because I don't see sun.
So how long have you been coughing the blood?
It's like 5 days.
Like 5 days.
No, 5 days. No, it was 5 days. When I got to the party, the phone got took me to the party.
So how long have you been seeing coughing blood?
It's just over a month. Like just 2 months. Immediately I get to that prison, to the cell.
Okay.
5 days after, so I was seriously sick and they rushed me.
Okay, that was when you started coughing.
Yeah.
Like 5 days after.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 days after.
So,
They took him to hospital in Party. After,
yeah.
Alright, the blood is stool. How long has it been? This stool, you see blood in your stool. How long have you been seeing blood in your stool?
That time is every time.
Okay, when did you start seeing the